Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and share a Facebook Messenger group link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your device and locate the group chat you want to share. Go ahead and click on that group chat to open it. This will take you into the conversation where you can access all the group settings and options. Once you're inside the group chat, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice an information icon there, typically represented by a small circle with an eye inside it or 3 horizontal lines depending on your device. Click on this information icon to access the group details and settings. After clicking the information icon, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can see your group name displayed prominently at the top. This page contains all the essential information about your group, including members, media, and sharing options. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct group before proceeding. Now, directly under your group name, you'll see an option labeled Invite. Click on this Invite button to access the group sharing features. This is the gateway to generating and distributing your group link, making it easy for new members to join without needing to be manually added. Once you click Invite, a new menu will appear with various sharing options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find a button that says Share. Go ahead and click on Share to reveal all the different ways you can distribute your group link. This flexibility allows you to choose the most convenient method for reaching the people you want to invite. After clicking Share, you'll immediately see the option to copy the link. This is perfect if you want to send the link directly to someone via text message, email, or any other messaging platform outside of Facebook. Simply click Copy Link and paste it wherever you need to share it. Alternatively, if you prefer to share the link within Facebook's ecosystem, you have several convenient options. You can click Messenger chats to send the group link directly to other people through Messenger conversations. This is ideal when you want to personally invite specific individuals or share it in other chat threads. If you'd like to broadcast your group link more publicly, you can click Facebook Feed to post it directly on your Facebook timeline. This allows all your friends and followers to see the group link and join if they're interested. It's a great way to reach a wider audience quickly. Another option is to click Facebook Groups to share your Messenger group link within other Facebook groups you're part of. This is particularly useful if you're trying to connect people from different communities or interest groups together in one Messenger conversation. And lastly, you can click Facebook Story to share the group link to your Facebook story. This gives the link temporary visibility for 24 hours, perfect for time-sensitive invitations or casual group gatherings. And that's it, you've successfully created and shared your Facebook Messenger group link using multiple methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.